Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 60. If we start with this box, we're missing 2, 6, and 9. We've got a 6 covering these two boxes, so our 6 must be here. 9 here, so 2, 9. For this top row now, we're missing 4, 5, and 7. We've got a 4 and 7 here, so this is our 5. 7 makes this our 4, 7. For this row, we're missing 4, 6, and 8. We've got 4 and 8 here, so this is our 6. That 4 means this is our 8, 4. For this box now, we're missing 5 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 5, 8. For this box, we're missing 1 and 2. We've got a 1 here, so 2, 1. For this column, we're missing 1 and 8. We've got a 1 here, so 8, 1. For this column, we're missing 3, 5, and 7. We've got a 3 here, so 5, 7. 7 here, so 3, 5, and no help here, 3, 5, 7. For this box, we're also missing 3, 5, and 7. We've got a 3 here, so 5, 7. For this box, we're missing 4, 5, 7, and 9. We've got a 4 here, so 5, 7, 9. 9 here, so 4, 5, 7. 9 here, so 4, 5, 7. So if we look, the only place in this box our 9 can be is here. For this row, we're missing 1, 5, 6, and 7. We've got a 6 and 7 here, so 1, 5. 5 and 6 here, so 1, 7. 1 here, so 5, 6, 7. For this row, we're missing 2, 4, 5, 7. We've got 2 and 4 here, so 5, 7. 2 and 7 here, so 4, 5. 4 here, so 2, 5, 7. But if we look, the only place our 2 can be in that row is here. For this column, we're missing 4 and 5, but this 4 makes this our 5, 4. Now we can get rid of this 4. If we look, then the only place the 4 can be in this box is here. And this 5 makes this our 3. We can get rid of this 3. For this column, we're missing 2, 4, 6, and 9. We've got 4 and 9 here, so 2, 6. 4 and 6 here, so 2, 9. 2 and 4 here, so 6, 9. 2 and 6 here, so 4, 9. If we look, the only place our 4 can be is here. for this column, we're missing 5, 6, 7, and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 5, 6, 7. 6 and 7 here, so 5, 8. 5 and 7 here, so 6, 8. But again, we look. There's not really anything we can rule out on that one. For this column, we're missing 1, 2, 3, and 5. We've got a 3 here, so 1, 2, 5. 1 here, so 2, 3, 5. 1 and 2 here, so 3, 5. If we look at this column, we're missing 1, 3, and 7. Got the 3 here, so 1, 7. So that means that our 3 for that column has to be here. That 3 makes this our 5. 1, 2. That 5 makes this our 8, 6, 9. 5 makes this our 7, 5, 7, 5. 5 up here. That 1 makes this our 7, 1. So that 5 and 7 makes this our 6. For this box now, we're missing a 5. That 2 makes this our 6. And the 5 and 6 makes this our 7. This 9 makes this our 2. And now we have a 2 and 5 in this box, so this is our 3. So for this box, we're missing 7, 8, and 9. We've got 8 and 9 here, so this is our 7, 9 here. So 8 and 9. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.